If you're seeing the Epic Games error code Is-0009, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through several proven fixes step by step so you can get back into your game as quickly as possible. This error is often linked to background processes, launcher issues, corrupted cache files, or a game installation that needs to be repaired. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix it without doing anything too advanced. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more gaming tutorials, PC fixes, and troubleshooting guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, we want to check for any background processes that may still be running. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. Once it opens, look through the list for anything related to your game or the Epic Games launcher. If you see it running in the background, click it once and choose End Task. Sometimes the launcher or the game doesn't fully close in the normal way, and that can cause the Is-0009 error. When you try to launch again, after ending those tasks, close Task Manager and try opening the game again. If the error is still there, the next step is to verify your game files. Open the Epic Games launcher and go to your library. Find the game that is giving you the issue, then click the three dots next to it. From the menu, select Manage, and then click Verify. This will scan the installation for missing or damaged files and automatically repair anything that is broken. Depending on the size of the game, this may take a few minutes, so let the process complete fully before testing the game again. Now, if that doesn't solve it, try running the Epic Games launcher as an administrator. To do that, close the launcher completely, then right-click the Epic Games launcher shortcut on your desktop. From the options that appear, choose Run as Administrator. Giving the launcher elevated permissions can help it access the files and settings it needs, especially if Windows is blocking something in the background. Once it opens, try launching your game again and see if the error is gone. Another thing you should do is check for launcher updates. Open Epic Games Launcher, click your profile icon in the top right corner, then go into Settings. If there is an update available, you should see a Restart and Update button. Click that to apply the latest version. Using an outdated launcher can sometimes trigger login problems, file verification issues, or launch errors like Is-0009. So staying up to date is always a smart move. If the issue still continues, the next fix is to clear the Epic Games launcher cache. First, make sure the launcher is fully exited. Don't just close the window, also check the system tray near the clock and exit it from there if needed. Then press Win and R on your keyboard to open the run box. Type %local app data % and press Enter. In the folder that opens, find Epic Games Launcher, then open Saved, and delete the web cache folder. This clears out temporary files that may be corrupted and causing the launcher to behave incorrectly. After deleting the cache, reopen Epic Games Launcher and try again. If none of those methods work, the final step is to reinstall the game. Go back to your library, click the three dots next to the game, and choose Uninstall. Once the uninstall is finished, download and install the game again from scratch. This is especially useful if verification fails or if the installation itself is badly damaged. It may take longer than the other fixes, but it often solves stubborn errors that nothing else can fix. So to recap, start by ending background tasks, then verify the game files, run the launcher as administrator, update the Epic Games launcher, clear the launcher cache, and if necessary, reinstall the game. One of these steps should get rid of the Epic Games error code Is-0009 and get you back to gaming. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy fixes just like this. And if you're still having trouble, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.